Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Nissan Pathfinder key fob. Start by finding a clean, flat workspace and laying down a soft cloth to protect the fob. Remove any key rings to keep parts clear. Use a small flat tool to gently pry open the seam, working slowly around the edge to avoid breaking plastic clips or bending metal contacts. Get your CR2032 battery and a thin flathead or pry tool ready. Clear a workspace and place a soft cloth down to prevent scratches. Remove any key rings and external covers so you can handle the fob easily. Keep fingertips steady and focus on the seam where the two halves meet. Working slowly helps protect the internal contacts and plastic tabs from snapping or bending during opening and replacement. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss easy car fixes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy and built to last, which is perfect when you're crawling under cars or searching for dropped batteries. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Pry gently at the fob seam until the two plastic halves separate, taking care not to force or twist. Note how the old CR2032 battery sits so you can match polarity when inserting the new cell. Carefully press the new battery into the slot until it feels secure, then align the halves and snap them back together until all clips lock. Test the buttons and confirm the key fob locks, unlocks, and starts the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.